In this video, we will talk about sneezing, which has been a part of our lives and can happen at any time. Why does our body react like this? We will find the answer to this. Let's move on to our video without wasting any more time. Sneezing is a neurobiological reflex developed through evolution and influenced by our genes. Sneezes are usually triggered by a foreign particle that enters our nose and reaches our nasal mucosa, or by an external stimulus. Researchers say that this triggers the release of histamine, and histamines stimulate nerve cells in our nose. This situation reveals sneezing as the desire to expel the itchy thing in the nose with a strong airflow. So far, we have briefly talked about the physiology of sneezing. Now let's give you a few tips on how to prevent your sneezes that may bother you. 1. Press your tongue against your palate to minimize the urge to sneeze. 2. Cover the tip of your nose when you feel like sneezing. 3. Exhale quickly through your nose to expel irritants from your nose. 4. Massage in circular motions by holding the top of your nose. 5. Try not to look at the light. 6. Know your triggers. 7. Treat your allergies. In addition to these substances, some people talk about a few beliefs that can prevent your sneezing. According to a belief, when you have the urge to sneeze, thinking of pineapple prevents your sneezing. It's a pretty interesting belief, but it's surprisingly useful for some people. According to another belief, saying "bless you" just before sneezing prevents you from sneezing. Leaving all this aside, we recommend that you sneeze for your health. Whenever you have the urge to sneeze, let your body do its job for you. Don't try to prevent it and live long. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos with more interesting informations.